Apple has created a new event planning app called Apple Invites. Want to learn how it works? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the Apple Invites app on iPhone to plan events with friends. Now let's get started. You can download Apple Invites for free from the App Store, but the service requires a subscription to iCloud Plus to be able to invite friends. However, anyone can open and accept invitations from Apple Invites, even if they don't own an Apple device. Once you open Apple Invites, you can tap Create an Event to get started. Let's customize your event details. Tap Event Title to add a name for your event, whether it's a birthday party, barbecue, family reunion, or any other gathering you're planning. You can change the look of the event title by choosing a font style. To let your guests know when the event is taking place, tap Date and Time. Use the calendar selectors to choose the date and time you want your event to take place. You can enable the all-day option if you don't have a specific start or end time, and enable the Include End Time option if you have a specific time the event will be finished. Tap Done to save. Next, you can add a location. Tap Location. You can search for a specific address for the venue of your event, use your current location, or simply type in the name of the location. To add more details, tap Add a Description. Here you can add more information about your event. You can also customize how your name will appear as the host. To make it easier for your guests to share photos from your event, you can create a shared photo album within your invite. Tap Create Album. If prompted, allow Apple Invites to access your photos. By default, the name of your album will be the event title, but you can change this if you like. Tap Done to save. If you're an Apple Music user, you can add a playlist to share with your guests. Lastly, customize the look of your invite with a background image. Scroll up and tap Add Background. You can choose one of Apple's preset background images, import an image from your photo albums, or use your camera to snap a new image to use as the background. Tap Preview in the top right corner to see how your invite will look to your guests. If you're happy with it, tap Next. You can invite guests with a public link through messages or email, share the link to another app, or copy the link to paste somewhere else, such as in a social media post. You can choose to approve guests if you don't want your invited guests to be able to add other people to the guest list. To invite people from your contacts list, tap Choose a Guest. Allow Apple Invites to access your contact list. Then tap a contact from the list, or search for someone's name at the top. Tap the name of a contact you want to invite. Then choose how you want to send the invite link. The options presented here will depend on what contact info you have saved for this contact. After inviting guests, you can still make changes to your event if needed. You can use the Send a Note option to send a message to all the guests you've invited. This is a great way to update people with more information about your event or venue. Tap the calendar icon to add your event to your iPhone's calendar. You can also tap the three dots in the top right corner to edit your event or customize your event settings. Here you can configure your event's privacy settings and manage your event if you need to cancel it, pause replies, or delete the event. When your guests open the invite link, they'll be taken to the invite on the iCloud website, unless they've already installed the Apple Invites app. They can sign in with their Apple account or validate their invite with their email or phone number depending on how they were added to the guest list. Guests can then RSVP for your event by indicating if they're going or not going, or choose maybe if they're not sure yet. They can also choose how their name will appear on the guest list and add a message along with their RSVP. When someone RSVPs as going, their contact icon will appear in the guest list section of your event within the Invites app. That does it for all the basics of using the new Apple Invites app. To learn about other iCloud features, check out our full playlist of iCloud tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.